Well, Ed and Maria, TikTok has made it easier for business owners to build community and talk directly to their customers. But with the app going away, they're concerned revenue will follow.
So there's everything from like dry pantry goods to hosting supplies.
In just 2 years, Maria Colalancha has been able to launch her dream business right in the North End.
It's beyond my wildest dreams, but I feel like it was all what was meant to happen.
But this dream wouldn't have been possible without the community she built on TikTok.
Truthfully, it wasn't something I was trying to do. I just kind of wanted to meet new people and build a community. And so I put this video out there and it went viral.
The app has been a launching pad for countless entrepreneurs to turn their ideas into full-blown careers. But that could all be ending with the Supreme Court upholding Congress's ban of the app, citing concerns about data collection and national security.
People should be concerned in general when they're using apps.
Northeastern University professor David Chofnes says data collection leading to targeted ads are mostly harmless. But there's the possibility for companies to drive up prices, lower credit scores, or even increase insurance premiums based off your data and online habits.
That's the problem with data privacy, is that things that we don't care about today, we don't know how we're going to care about them in the future. We also don't know how companies might monetize that data in the future in ways that harm us.
But he admits the type of data collection TikTok does is no different from other apps like Instagram or Facebook. The only difference he could see is that TikTok is owned by a China-based company called ByteDance.
When it was going to US companies, I guess there was no concern, but all of a sudden it's going to a company that's based in another country, and now they have a concern.
Professor Chofnes says instead of banning apps, he would like to see Congress develop stronger privacy laws that gives people the right to have their data protected. We're live in the newsroom. Danae Bucci, WCVB News Center 5.